Bharatpur MLA Humayun Kabir, who was suspended by the Trinamool Congress for his foundation stone laying decision of the Babri Masjid in Murshidabad on December 6th, has launched his party on Monday, and he did have a lot of supporters. However, he had expected about 4 lakh supporters at the venue, which did not happen. However, there was a lot of support for Humayun Kabir while he stood on stage and spoke about his party's name, which is Janata Unayan Party, and he hopes that this party is going to be a kingpin in the big decision when it comes to forming the government in the 2026 assembly elections. So what does Humayun Kabir look at? He looks at contesting from 2 assembly constituencies of Rajinagar and Beldanga. Also, he announced other candidates from Murshidabad district, West Midnapur, and also from constituencies in Kolkata and South Kolkata, in fact. So he's looking at combating Mamata Banerjee and reducing her to zero. That is what Humayun Kabir is aiming at. Will he be successful is the big question. He is looking to contest in more than 135 seats. This is what he aims that his party will do. How confident is Humayun Kabir right now? From what he is saying and the message that he is giving is that it is possible. Also, he says that no other party, be it the Trinamool Congress or the BJP, will be able to cross the magic figure of 148 seats in the 294 assembly constituency. Humayun Kabir is looking at alliances with the left, Congress, and also the ISF, but they have not formally come forward and said that they will form an alliance with Humayun Kabir. Right now, they're waiting and watching, and we're looking at his launch, how the response will be. So Humayun Kabir here confident of making a big mark, an indelible mark here in West Bengal. But will he be successful when it comes to the political game in the democratic system is what we'll have to see. But Humayun Kabir confident after he had laid the foundation stone of the controversial Babri Masjid in Murshidabad district.